You're in charge of the production floor, the employees, the raw materials, the partially made materials, the money. Don't forget to take a loan out from the bank, by the way. The screens are in Turku, Finland. So you are literally looking at a computer in Turku, Finland. And 3 or 4 people, depending on your team, are touching it at the same time. So you'll note if you're pull on one side, someone in Austria might pull it back the other way, and someone from Japan. So you have to talk to each other and take turns controlling the screens. They'll open a screen, then you'll open a screen. And so unless you're communicating, it'll be a mess.
We want to win, and we don't know how.
The winner is the most efficiently run business. Whoever makes the most money really is the most efficient business. Each team is made up of multinational individuals.
Right.
So for example, Team 1 has someone from Canada, someone from Austria, someone from NYU. Ooh,
Heidi.
Yeah. Heidi, and someone from, I think this is Germany. So you'll be on Skype and talking to all of those folks.
Well, I would like to know why you're all playing the game.
Just these simulation games where you interact with others, either in the same room or internationally, just interested me.
I'm really interested in this game because, well, I came from an international background too, and the whole idea of this game, collaborating people of different countries, that really fascinates me. But unlike a lot of you here, I have never played something like this before, so I thought it would be a really interesting experience.
Why are you playing, Jeff?
I'm fascinated by this, and not only this, but other games just like it. So if this works, we can do it again. I can extend it into the classroom here at Stern. That's kind of my goal.
This one's the sub-producer one.
She's the bio counter.
There's a couple in there.
So,
Let's go.
Good luck.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah, I guess just the best case scenario isn't that like my team wins or another team wins, but just that we actually get this going smoothly. I think the worst case scenario would be if we spend until, I think Jill said before, that we have problems until like 4 p.m. trying to get this going.
I have no strategy. Do you have a strategy?
Not at the moment.
Oh,
But we're
good.
working on it.
Good, excellent.
Our strategy is very recent at the moment.
We had a strategy, and a lot of things now are changing a lot faster and differently than we thought they would, so I think we have to kind of reevaluate.
Simulation thing. It's 4 people with 1 simulation.
Make sure we have a per unit cost. I haven't figured out what our raw materials cost yet.
Yeah, we're talking to each other. We're discussing that we think it's better to make decision at the one side.
The game itself has some complexity to it, so just getting up to speed on the game and how to, we're basically buying raw materials, we're making components. The components are then being bought by other teams who are trying to make the thing, something called a bio counter. It's a mock product.
All right.
One of the huge things that's really affecting the game right now is just understanding kind of what's going on. Another key thing is just understanding how many raw materials we need in order to make a finished good, and then how do we sell those.
I think raw material costs are going forward, and they vary.
So what's happening right now is that we split up the roles, and what I'm trying to do is sell some of our already finished products for our already finished products to some of the consumers.
It's calling her.
Actually, over there.
Supplier trying to rip me off.
Over there?
Yeah, all trying to rip me off. Cost ridiculous price. Trying to manipulate supplier.
We want to get a deal on the book so we can see what's going on.
I think we did okay with the last sale, though. It looks like we didn't sell it for less than we made it for.
So right now we're in the process of trying to figure out how to balance our inventory, of just making sure we know how to order the materials.
And now we are stable. We focus on only one product, and by all markets, we're trying to exploit the economy of scale that we can do right now.
Right now, we're out of money. We're $340,000 in the hole. We don't have enough supplies. Conrad's looking for a place for dinner.
It's I see what they were trying to do. The Team 1, they're trying to get rid of their inventory because they know this thing is ending.
They know it's ending in 2 minutes, so they got rid of all their... So cancel our orders. Just go through and cancel our orders. If we cancel our orders, then they're not going to win.
they stopped us, and both of us, my partner and I, were like, "What's going on? We want to get back into it." It was getting pretty exciting because we're trying to start new processes and seeing how everything's going.
Oh, we failed.
We didn't fail. We
Oh,
just
no.
we planned different thing and doesn't work out.
We ended up in a huge debt. I guess mainly because we invested in memory, which we couldn't use in our production anyways.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Well,
My
sure,
team-
because you wound up with money.
Yeah, I think we made
We
a lot of
both
money.
went broke.
Really? Really?
How
do we know the final? Are they
How
going to show us the
much
final
money
performance?
did you?
Oh, well, hey, everybody, let's log on and see what they have to say.
When's
I guess quickly what they're doing right now is the gross margin in terms of, if you look at profit. So right now they have different lines. Right now you can see company number 1, that's mine, biggest profits. It's just in terms of it's like a percentage. It's in terms of right now, right here is like the sales between the different groups. Gross margin is the level of margin. This goes up to around 80% right here, and this is 0. So the different margins, and hence we had the biggest margin, so we made the biggest profit. Okay, so company number 1 selected for the winner because just based on profit alone is what he's saying right now. So of course, like when you consider this is pretty short term, and if we had continued it, it might have been different results.
I think what I took away from this the most was just how important the communication is, and not only is the communication important, but the timeliness of the communication. My teammate and I, who was in Canada, had to communicate rather quickly in order to kind of get the job done and kind of, make decisions quickly as well. So from our standpoint, it was more, trusting each other. To kind of complete tasks as needed.
I really thank you for having participated, and good night from here, and have a good day for the others.